Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be going over my first 5 mods for my 2019 4Runner Off-Road Premium. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first mod I'm going to do is going to be the interior lights here. Just to be clear, this isn't going to be like a install guide for any of this. I will just show you quickly how I'm going to do it, and then I'll show you like before and after. I'm going to start with the lights because hopefully that should help make some of the other stuff easier to see. So yeah, let's go ahead, put these in. I got these for 25 or 20 bucks off Amazon. There are some cheap ones, hopefully they last. I'll let you guys know. All you're gonna need to put these in are just a like trim removal tool and then some pliers to pull out the bulb if you have them. So yeah, we're just gonna pop this out. Just pops right out. Shut that off. If you leave the lights on, these halogens do get pretty hot, so just be aware of that. I got it out with the pliers, what the old one looks like. This is what the new one looks like. We'll go ahead, pop that in, and I'll give you guys a side-by-side. Inside the vehicle now, this is the light that I just replaced, and this is the factory one. Let's go ahead and I'll show you the difference. So you can see this one's a little bit brighter, but it's also just a whiter light. Sorry, that won't focus. Yeah, just a whiter light. I think it just makes the car look newer and more up to date. So the kit that I got comes with obviously both of these, this rear one, all the door lights, and I believe it comes with like tail light, like the reverse lights. But I'm not going to go replace those. I'm just going to do all the interior lights. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will show you guys the result. So I went ahead and put all the lights that I'm going to put in the 4Runner. This kit, it's called, the brand is iBrightStar. Just off of Amazon. Like I said, it was like 20 or 25 bucks. It comes with a ton of lights. It must be like a universal thing. You can do the reverse lights. I didn't do that though. I didn't feel like it, and if I want new lights, I'll just replace the whole light housing, which I plan on doing in the future anyways. So yeah, this is this. There's a bunch of extra bulbs, even for the ones I used. So if any of them go bad, I still have a couple to swap them out with. So I'll just show you which ones I did real quick. So obviously the dome lights, map and dome lights, I guess. I did both of the mirror lights. I did all of these lights, and then one last thing. Is I haven't checked these yet, did the license plate lights as well. The only one, now that I'm recording this video, that I realized that I didn't do was the, sorry, let me turn this off. I forgot to do the rear hatch light. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock the inside light out on this. I think there's 2 of them actually. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the next mod. All right, so I went ahead and got these rear hatch ones installed. As you can see, both of them right there. And that should cover all of the interior lights, and then I also did the license plate light. So for the next interior mod, I guess, yeah, these are actually all interior mods. I'm gonna go ahead and install, if it'll focus, the AGA-T Design climate knobs. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I already put the little Allen keys in here. Literally all you do is just twist them in. So I just got black on black. Let's go ahead and pop these in. Well, here is a quick little before. I'm just gonna be replacing this one, and this one. I'll go ahead and get that done and then show you guys. Here is a little comparison. That's the new one. This is the old one. And this is still the old one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these 2 up, and then I'll show you the completed result. This is the completed result. I've always wanted these in my Tacoma, but I never wanted to spend the money on them. They're only like or they're like 50 bucks, but it's just a piece of plastic. So I never dished out the money, but I finally did it because it was one of the things I wished I always did on my Tacoma. This center one looks absolutely amazing. These ones look good, better than the silver, but I'm going to try and see if I can find someone who sells a blacked out ring here. If not, it still looks better. These ones won't be here. You'll see later in this video, there's a mod that eliminates the need for these. So yeah, that's the AJT Designs climate knobs. Nice little touch, very small, not necessary at all, but like I said, I did it because it's something I always wanted to do in the Tacoma and never did. So let's go ahead and get on to the next one. I'm going to be able to see me here, but I'm not important. So the next one is going to be they're called smartphone holders, and they go right here in this flat part of the door, just to give you a higher edge to put your phone in there so it doesn't flip out. So once again, another very small thing, but quality of life improvement. So I'm gonna go ahead, slap these on. It's very easy. Just red sticky tape here, peel that off, and literally you're just gonna stick it right in. Should be pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead, just give you guys a little closer look. These are what I added. They're just called smartphone door inserts. I'll go ahead and leave the link below. Just add some width here so your phone doesn't tip out. That storage area is pretty pointless before that, so this at least kind of helps give it some utility. So it comes with all four. I did the ones over there as well, just to make it all match. Looks pretty factory as well, so yeah, pretty simple mod. We'll go ahead and get on to the next one. This next one, we're gonna go ahead and be inside of the vehicle again, but it is just the vehicle OCD glove box organizer. I'm counting this all as one mod. Then we have the lower center console organizer, and then the upper center console tray. So these are very, very self-explanatory. You just click them together and put them in. Show you what this looks like before. It's kind of messy, everything's thrown in there. And then this one, also messy and everything thrown in there. Pro tip, if you get a tissue box and cut the bottom, it fits perfectly in here. So you always got tissues. Thought that was pretty cool. I'm sure they sell ones that actually fit perfectly without cutting them, but for now, it's a good solution and it ain't going anywhere. But yeah, anyways, let me go ahead and put these in before, and then I will go ahead and show you the after. That wraps up the fourth modification for the 4Runner. I'll go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. So, sorry, it's dusty over here. Let me wipe that off. That's gonna bother me. I'm gonna have to clean this now that I noticed that it's dusty. Anyways, this is the glove box organizer. I realized that I don't really have that much stuff in here after it being organized. At first it seemed all cluttered, but it's just the owner's manual. You had a headlamp, some Kleenexes there just because I had them and I put them there. Don't really need them because I got the ones in the center console, but just a mask, some air fresheners. Anyways, we're not going over what's inside of there. It's a lot more organized, as well as in here. Finally, I have a safe place for my sunglasses, so they're not just bouncing around in there. It's got this tray, and then down here also, once again, realized I don't have that much stuff. It just seems like a lot when it's all packed in there. This is Ozium. Heads up, the big cans don't fit with this tray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a smaller can, but for now, I'll just lay it across right there. This plops in, and it still works with these being there, so. Oh, just pinch my way. So yeah, just quick recap of the 4 first mods. These first mods are the more smaller ones, which is why I wanted to do them first. So we started out with the lights, went ahead and put LEDs all around the interior. We did the climate control knobs. We did the smartphone door insert. And then the glove box and center console organizers. The final one is going to be a radio overhaul here. It is supposed to come in the mail today. Hopefully it does. Once it does, we'll go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of this video. So I will see you guys then. For now, I'm going to go hang out, and I'll get back with you if it arrives today. I got the package with the radio. I took this out of the bubble wrap already. This is the contents. We'll go ahead and show you the before here. So essentially, there's videos of how to do this on the Trail Grid Pro YouTube channel. They go step by step. Essentially, we're just going to pull out all of this inner guts right here. Just the hazard, the vents, and these little guys. And then just put that into the plastic piece you saw there and essentially plug and play the new radio. So I'm going to go ahead, get that done, and then I'll show you the after of the new radio mod. So this is the radio all installed and upgraded. It has been a few weeks since I recorded the last portion of this. While I was installing this radio, I actually lost this button and that button. They just like snap off. Somehow they all went flying and I was only able to find those. So I didn't want to finish the video missing those few buttons. So I went ahead and reached out to Trail Grid Pro, and they are absolutely amazing. Great customer service. They were able to help me out, willing to help me out, no problem. And yeah, so highly recommend, whether it's this radio, if you can purchase anything from Trail Grid Pro, great website and great team behind them. But yeah, this is the radio here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my Bluetooth real quick and just show you guys what this looks like. Got to turn off my Bluetooth, otherwise CarPlay will connect and then I won't be able to record. So I'll be right back. Went ahead, turn that stuff off. Let's go ahead and give you guys a quick little view at how this is. This pops up just like every radio ever, and then this loads, and probably by about now, normally wireless CarPlay would already be loaded up. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys that because if I connect my phone, I won't be able to record. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very nice. This is the AX6000, so it's got the better touchscreen and whatnot. You can see, I don't really know why I'm showing you guys this, I guess, because I said I wasn't going to make this a tutorial on anything, but anyways, you can see like gauges and stuff. Pretty cool setup. Great wireless CarPlay, works amazing. In my last video I installed the Pioneer radio in my Tacoma, which I, by the way, replaced my Tacoma with this 4Runner. And anyways, the Pioneer radio, I had issues. It was, first of all, like double the price just for the radio than this whole kit was. It looked a little better, it was a little bigger, but the CarPlay cut out like randomly, because I don't know, it was weird. It was really annoying though. This one, I've been driving around with it for a few weeks now, and I can confidently say it has not cut out on me. I don't know if that is a phone thing or the radio thing, but either way, this has been great so far. Highly recommend. Quick little bonus mod since I added this within the past few weeks. These blackout emblems. Got those ones. I also plastic dipped my wheels for the meantime. I'm gonna get new wheels anyways, so I figured having them black now. These are all overlays, and then I plastic dipped the front and rear valances as well. Super easy, cheap mods. I got the overlays for 45 bucks on Amazon, and so far they've been absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's just a quick little bonus since it's been 3 weeks since I last recorded the last video. So yeah, we'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. That is going to conclude my top 5, or my first 5 mods on my 4Runner. I'm very excited to get into modding this thing more, but starting out simple with things that I didn't do on the Tacoma for the most part. Yeah, threw in a little bonus since it took me so long to finish this video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.